Hey traders, welcome back to another episode. This is gold on the 5 minutes time frame, right? But I want us to start on the 4-hour time frame. So let's switch over to the 4-hour time frame. Now this is our candle here. This is the high and this is the low down here, okay? All right, so now I want you to look inside here. We have 1, 2, 3 candlesticks, right? Now if the third candle closes, it now invalidates our setup, right? It means we're no longer focusing on this candle. We're going to look for another opportunity on another candlestick, right? Let's switch over to the 5 minutes. Okay, so this is on the 5 minutes. This is our low down here. Right, so now this is what we have right here, okay? So now I need you to listen very carefully, right? This is our low, okay? Now it means that if price ever push down, right? If price ever pushes down to this level, it also invalidates our setup, right? Remember, if the third candle closes inside, the setup is now invalid. If price push below our lowest low, the setup is also invalid, right? But for now, the setup is still valid and I have entered a buy position right there, okay? Now, the first buy position was somewhere around here and I closed somewhere there at the top, right? I closed 2,000 rands. Now, this is a second entry right here. I entered a buy position and my stop loss is just around here, okay? Now, even if price goes down to hit my stop loss, the setup is not invalid, guys, okay? Now my stop loss is somewhere around here just to protect my capital and my account, okay? Because I don't want to take maximum loss. Right now, imagine if my stop loss is down here. Imagine the loss, just imagine the loss, okay? But ideally this is where we should be placing our stop loss, okay? But of course our accounts do not allow us to do that, right? Know your lane, stay in your lane, guys, stay in your lane, right? So we're gonna place our stop loss somewhere around there. If price pushes to the downside, hit our stop loss, it's fine. We're gonna look for another opportunity, or we're gonna wait until price comes back inside the range, and then we're gonna enter another buy position, right? So now another thing that I like is this pattern right here, okay? We might have impulse, correction, and another impulse to the upside, right? So now the safest bet here, is to wait for price to break outside here, right? So once price breaks outside, then you can place a buy position from somewhere around here and target TP1, right? Target TP1. This is our TP1, and there at the top, that is our TP2, okay? Now, this is one of the most easiest trading model ever, guys. You look for a high and a low, you wait for price to go down, take out liquidity, and then come back inside the range. Then you're going to place a buy position or your sell position, right? All right, so now this is on my MT5 right here. As you can see, I have entered 2 buy positions right there, and my stop loss is just down here, okay? Let's check the history, trade history. Now, this was the first entry right here. You can see I entered here, entered a buy position right here, and I closed there, okay? This was the first entry. This is a re-entry right here. I entered a buy position there. I entered another buy position here, okay? And our target is going to be TP1. Our target is going to be TP1. Maybe somewhere around here. I think it's 157, somewhere around there, okay? That is going to be our TP. Now remember, our setup is still valid up until price goes below this low or the third candle closes, right? All right, so for now, let's just be patient and wait for price to play out. Hopefully it plays in our favor. All right, traders, this is where the current price is, and I'm just about to close. I mean, the TP is just there, right? The TP is just there, but we're not waiting for TP1, man. We're not waiting for TP1 to be hit. 5,000 is a lot of money, so let's just secure this one, and we'll, find other opportunities, guys. For this one, let's just take our money and leave, man. Yep, that's it for today, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.